Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Diaspol and thank you so much for all your likes, comments, share and subscribe to my channel. If you are a new viewer, definitely go to our channel, watch all the videos, and if you're liking those videos, definitely hit the subscribe button to be a part of this big family. For the ones who want additional services, always WhatsApp 7892652481 is the WhatsApp number, so only WhatsApp is allowed, no calling option as of now. And for the ones who wants to be part of my secret Telegram channel, you can open your account in Zerodha, or you can open in Upstock, or else a free account in Angel Broking. So Angel Broking is giving a free account, so you can open any of these and you can be part of my secret Telegram channel. Alright, so before we start off with this particular video, if you have not yet watched my this video, okay, the intraday trick 3% profit daily average with VWAP, right? So watch this strategy video. If you have not yet watched, then only you will understand why we are backtesting this. So watch this video, then you can watch this particular video. Alright, so if you see today Nifty morning, if you see Nifty was a gap up over here, alright, and then Nifty came down. So morning initially it was down, so it was looking neutral. Nifty was neutral, it was coming down, and later Nifty went up. That is, market went up. Sensex and Nifty both went up. Why? Because of some good news happening in the market, and also one of the reason is Reliance, Facebook and Reliance investment news which came out. So if you're not yet watched today's few hours back, I just posted one video, so you can watch this for understanding. So now during the situation, I try to do back testing just like how you guys practice. Hope you guys also did some practice paper trading today. So I would recommend you to do continue for few days and few months, so that you can utilize this method along with your other methods. Okay, don't just rely on one method always. Add every parameters, add every techniques and indicators to all your methods and come up with one stock. So today I was focusing on these 4 stocks just for a practice, so that you guys can watch this video and tomorrow onwards you can do the same every day, whichever method you pick. So I picked these 4 stocks from our basic method which I told you in the video. So you would have picked in some other top gainer or some stocks over there. So I picked today ONGC. So basically I'll tell you where I picked. So morning the market was coming down and neutral, so I looked into negative stocks because the market was a little negative in the morning, it was coming down. So top negative stock was ONGC and VEDL. So morning I tried to look at these because situation was like that, negative. So top negative 2 stocks I took, and applying the same thing, 5 minutes candle and VWAP, not these two. Okay, I just kept this, but only VWAP I'm looking into. Now let's say morning itself I got a confirmation over here. If you see, the first candle only was touching the line and started. So I just waited for a confirmation because market is also coming down and the stock is also negative. Second candle was touching and coming down, third candle came down. So by here I got a confirmation that this is my selling point, and from there 0.3% target is my observation. So the stock has come from, let's say our sell was 64.13, so let's say 20 paisa, or roughly 18 paisa, 20 paisa is our target. So somewhere over here our target would have been done, 0.3%, but overall it went up to 60 because morning the market was coming down. All right, so that advantage was there in negative side. Later market went, you see the stock is going up, but that is secondary. All right, so now VEDL. In VEDL also, initially in the morning there was a green candle, second green candle didn't come. Obviously I will not go for buying here because this is a top selling stock. I saw in negative. See, this is negative, right? So these are negative, that means I should only sell, I should not buy. If I'm getting buy also, I will ignore. What if it doesn't go? So just to be careful, I will just go for sell on negative stock. Now here I got my first candle after 5 minutes, after 15 minutes second candle, after that 20 minutes I got my third candle. So my confirmation is selling over here, 0.3% somewhere here. So now let me roughly check what is the low value. So low value is 74.80. so 7 3s are 21 paisa. Let's say let me keep 25 paisa only. So my, if I sell at 74.80, somewhere around 74.55 is my target. So the next candle only gave me that observation. It has given 74.55. later it again went down, somewhere around 73 it has gone. All right, so that is the one. Then later when the market went up, I tried to observe the top stock. Okay, because Reliance and Bharti Airtel was the top stocks, I just put it in my radar just to see how it performs, whether or not. So I was waiting for a buy signal, so I didn't get a, if you see, we got a sell signal here in the morning because market came down, but we should not sell because this is a positive stocks, top positive stocks in pre-open market. So now here I thought I'll get a confirmation. See, no confirmation here, and here I got a confirmation. All right, so if I just see, okay, see here I got a confirmation that it opened above the VWAP, but 3 candles didn't form, so this is not a confirmation. So later it went up, so I will not go behind it because it's already spiking. In this particular method, I will not pick this particular stock. I'm ignoring it until unless it comes down and goes up. Okay, and let's say Bharti Airtel also same thing happened. So Bharti Airtel actually morning you see 1, 2, no 3 candles, so no sell also. Basically we will look only into buy because it's top stock in pre-open, top second stock. So we got a confirmation here, okay, but again red signal came, so I will not look into. So I just ignored this particular stock. Later he went down. You see he came here, second candle here, third candle no. So 3 green candle has to come, cancel. So here also no opportunity. So to buy side no opportunity, sell side we got 2 opportunity in the morning when the market went down. So this is how I did my observation for this particular video. Hope you guys also can practice like this. Either you can see I looked into pre-open market stocks, you can look into your top stocks, or whichever method you are looking a stock. Start applying that with this particular indicator. Now the secret is, see, when you learn something, it should not be like you do only this every day. Remember, these are tricks based on the trend. Now the trend is like this, things are working. Tomorrow when trend changes, this may not work, this methods may not work, but later again this method will work. So you should not forget the method which you learned. So whatever you learned old also, it may be fading away today, but tomorrow that will be the best way. So that's how the market works. Everything you have to cross check, all the learnings what you did, and this one method what you learned along with, let's say, stochastic or RSI, whatever you learned, mix everything so that your risk level will go down. Many of them message me that we didn't get opportunity in some stocks, so today I didn't trade. So that's how we are reducing your over trading. A lot of people used to just trade in every point and make big losses. Nowadays they are waiting for risk levels. Okay, they are reducing the losses. One good thing what I'm seeing from my subscribers, and also only when they're getting signal. For example, few of my student messaged me that he took advantage in this VEDL, okay, just like how I looked. Even he also looked in the same way after seeing yesterday's video. So I was happy, and he said I got my first trade over here only, my first 0.3% I got here only. I'm not trading for the day. Maybe you would have got signal later part. So this is one thing I have seen an improvement in people. They are, at least people who are doing 5 trades, 6 trades are reducing to 2 days, 2 trades, 3 trades. In that 2 trades, 3 trades, at least they are betting better than making 6 trades and making more losses, right? Normally I suggest just one trade. Now for example, ONGC was the first stock I did today. I got 0.3%. I am done. I will not look into this. But while learning, okay, remember, while learning there is no problem. You can see how much of a stock in such a way that you will know that this was good, this was not good, this was good, this was not good. I should not follow these, I should follow only these. These type top stock or these situation of the market only I should trade. For learning purpose, you need to pick multiple stocks to learn. When you trade, I would tell you to trade one trade per day for a consistent profit. So anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. Please do hit that like and subscribe. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.